There are different type of AI agent in n8n. So let's explain you everyone. The first one will be our conversational AI agent. This is the most popular AI agent in n8n. This is best for customer support, e-commerce. So this have capability to get a human-like response. So why this is used for? The next one will be our OpenAI function agent. This is great for if I work with OpenAI models. So this is great for OpenAI model or doing tasks with OpenAI functional. So this have two model only. So let's click on chat model. So this is only made for OpenAI, and this is a task OpenAI and Azure. So Azure also have. So the next our AI agent will be plan and execute tasks. So this can, if I have a large amount of tasks, multiple stages of problem, so this can break down and solve it. Like if user submit a form, then add into CRM, then send a email, again do a multiple tasks like. So why this is used for? So it can plan and execute tasks. This is great for if I have multi-stage of problem, like it can break down tasks and do the work. So why this is used for? And this will be our React agent. So if I need a step-by-step problem solving, like or anything like using, now next move to SQL agent. So this is only work with Postgres database. Like if I want to work with MySQL or Postgres SQLite, it is work with only database. This doesn't have capability of tool. Here you can see. So this is used for Postgres and databases. So the most popular AI agent will be our conversational AI agent, and it is also called tool AI agent. This is not using tool AI agent. Here you can see, if I use, this is the most popular. So I forget about React combining reasoning and action in iterative process, effective for tasks that require careful analysis and step by. So this is one for analyze tasks. So if I want to, this also have no function of memory. So it is great for to analyze, like see it anything like. So this is made for React agent. Use your in way that is fit for you. I suggest if you are beginner, go to this one, conversational agent. Okay, bye.